Can you imagine what would happen if you lost your phone, another important item, or your personal documents and had no idea how to recover them? Hello friends, welcome to your channel Random Facts, where today we'll talk about something that could happen to anyone. Losing a personal document, misplacing another important item, or even worse, your phone. But with a simple trick, you can save yourself money and avoid headaches. This video is also available in Spanish and French. You'll find the respective links in the description. Imagine this. You're at a cafe, you finish working, and you leave. But when you get home, you realize you forgot your phone or wallet. That's where the problem starts. Getting a duplicate of your documents can be a long, complicated, and costly process, and losing a phone could mean a big investment to replace it. But what if, before leaving, you simply took a few seconds to put a piece of paper with your contact number on your phone, your documents, or any other item? The person who finds it might have a direct way to return it to you, without excuses like, "I didn't know how to contact the owner." Think about it. The cost of a piece of paper and a bit of tape is practically nothing compared to the cost of getting a duplicate of your ID, driver's license, or having to buy a new phone. We're talking about days of paperwork, long lines, and worse, money you hadn't planned to spend. Now, I know honesty plays a role in this too. But if the person who finds it genuinely wants to return it, what better way to help them than by leaving a visible contact? Without that number, your phone might just stay lost, with no chance of returning to you. So, our advice is simple. Take a small piece of paper, write down your contact number, and stick it to your personal documents or your phone. Or better yet, print it if possible. It's a super simple step that can save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found this advice helpful, subscribe to the channel for more practical content, and share it with someone who's always forgetting their stuff. See you in the next video.